Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to delete apps on iPhone. So let's start. To delete an app on your iPhone, simply find where is the icon of that app on your home screen. Then press and hold until you see this kind of menu and simply press remove app. Now we will be asked if we want to just remove this app from the home screen or we want to fully delete the app from our iPhone. So if you want to fully remove the app, press delete app, and as soon as you do this, the app will be deleted. I'm gonna hit cancel because I want to show you another way. So now if we will press and hold on any of the apps over here, all of the apps will start shaking. And there is this little minus in the left top corner. So if we get to this screen and see that there is the minus and we press on it, it will also ask us if we want to remove this app from the home screen or fully delete the app. So now I'm just gonna press delete the app. It will double confirm if we are sure that we want to remove this app completely from our iPhone. If yes, press delete. And the app was already removed. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do that, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!